I'm David Ferrall with Nest Realty.
I'm Jim Duncan with Nest Realty.
We're here talking about real estate in Crozet for the third quarter of 2016.
Looking at some quick data, sales are down.
Down 13%. Yeah, we went down from 86 this time last year to 75 this year.
I mean, I'm looking at new construction. New construction is down year to date, and I think that, from my perspective, I think a lot of that is weather driven. We had a very wet
spring.
Wet spring that held off a lot of stuff.
Median price is up though. It's up 9%. We're at $424,000.
And Crozet, we always say this, it's defined as Brownsville Elementary and Crozet Elementary.
Good point.
There are multiple definitions of Crozet, but that's the most consistent one.
That's what we're using.
Days on market, they're actually down in the third quarter of 2016 for resale homes. We pull new construction out of it, but days on market are down from 52 days to 31 days, which is fairly significant.
3-week drop, that's significant.
People want to move to Crozet, and they really like what we have to offer out here.
We're seeing multiple offer situations on properties, so if you have a house you like, make a fair offer if you want to get it.
Pay attention to your micro market. The Wickham Pond market is going to be different from the Old Trail market. It's going to be different from the rural property on an acre plus. So when you're evaluating properties, whether you're a seller or a buyer, make sure that you're paying attention to what your tiny little market is.
So true. You bring up Old Trail, a lot of new construction in Old Trail.
A lot of new construction in Old Trail.
In the quarter, there are 22 sales, up 3 sales from the same time last year, and everything is up. Price is up, square foot cost is up, and the size of the home is up actually to just about 3,300 square feet. People are building bigger homes.
Which is kind of counter to what we saw. The trend during the Great Recession was that home sizes went down, but now that things are feeling better, people are building bigger homes.
And the average price of new construction's touched $600,000 for the first time.
It's challenging times in that regard for a lot of people in Crozet. So from a project standpoint, there's a lot of stuff going on in Crozet as always. You're looking at new construction in Foothills. They're going through their rezoning. Downtown Crozet redevelopment is ongoing. I think they're going to rezoning conversation in November.
Yep.
Piedmont Place is getting ready to open. I'll come back to that in a second.
Okay.
The View apartments are coming to downtown Crozet. Old Trail is getting 200 some odd apartments as well.
Yep.
Their Old Trail's new commercial is leasing right now. New bike store in the lumberyard, which is awesome. Interesting, I had a client speaking today, and she said, we're coming from a different area. Do you have anywhere to do yoga in Crozet?
And you answered?
I answered, where we have Greenwood, ACAC, the new place coming to Piedmont Place, Crozet Park, and Crozet Arts.
You answered better than I could have.
We've got lots of yoga in Crozet.
You talked about new clients. I mentioned to you earlier, I had a handful of clients last week alone asking for land in Crozet. There were 4 sales in the quarter in Crozet, down from 7 last year. Land is dwindling, and people are looking. And lastly, we still have a couple distressed sales. We had 2 last quarter, still happening, but they're thinning out. So that's good for everyone. Where can we get some excitement around here? Top of the new Piedmont Place?
Piedmont Place can have their Sky Bar opening up November, December of this year, we hope. A couple restaurants in there. It's going to be an interesting place. Crozet Pizza has pushed into, they did Maupin's a little while ago, and now I think they're going to be pushing to the end.
That's what I've heard.
And also the 3 Nuts Grill is now, I've heard they're being taken over by Southern Way.
It's going to be called Sway.
Sway.
Good stuff.
Good stuff in Crozet.
But of course, we try to always be up here on the 3rd Thursday of every month. When I say up here, we're at PRN. We love it up here at PRN.
They just celebrated their 1-year anniversary at PRN. Great beer, great people.
3rd Thursday, 5 to 7. If you want to talk some real estate, come on up and buy you a beer.
Yeah, CrozetRealEstateConversation.com. I'm Jim with Nest Realty.
I'm David Ferrall with Nest Realty. Thanks for watching.
Have a good day.